One of the common data structures we deal with in doing Django and Python development are dictionaries. So in this video, we're going to go over how to use dictionaries because it's a core concept of things that you need to know. One of the quickest examples is in your context object whenever you need to add data to send to your templates. So with that, if we'll open up our shell and just start typing around, we can start with doing data equals, and we'll do a dictionary of hello world and foobar. To create a dictionary, you do an open curly brace, you put a string of text in quotes, you do a colon and then another string in quotes. Then you do, for a second element in that dictionary, you add the same thing except with a comma in between. This creates a dictionary with two keys of hello and foo and two values of world and bar. We save that to data and then we can reference it just typing in data. You can also create a dictionary by using the dict built-in and do a keyword argument of hello and pass it a string of world, and it generates a dictionary with a key of hello and a value of world. You can also create a dictionary with a list of tuples. Using the dict function, you open up a list and then add in a tuple with hello and world for the second element of the tuple, and you can do that again for foo and bar. Close it all and hit enter, and you have foobar and hello world for your dictionary. Also, with your dictionaries, you can loop through them. If you do for kv in data.items, and this is in Python 3, so it's items. In Python 2.7, it would be iter items, I-T-E-R, items. Then we'll just do a print of k and v, and it prints out hello world and foobar. Because what it's doing is it's looping through and it's returning a tuple effectively, with your key as the first value and your value as the second value of that tuple, so it's assigning it to k and v. You can also check and see if a key is in a dictionary. So if you do if hello in data, we can print hello in the key of dictionary, and it'll print it out because it's in there. A couple of the methods you might want to know about for your dictionaries is data.items returns a dict item with what you need in there. Notice it has the tuple of hello world and the tuple of foobar. Do data.keys and it returns all the keys of your dictionary. Data.values does the other, and it returns all your values. So looking at our data dictionary, we can delete one. We can delete foo from data by calling del and then accessing that particular key. And there we have foobar gone out of our data dictionary. Another way to get data out is we can do data.get and we pass it in the key that we need and it'll return the value. You can also do data.get for a key that isn't in there and it'll return none. If you do data.get for a key and it's not there, you can set a default value, in this case baz, and it returns baz because hello is not in the dictionary. Also, let's say you want to loop through your dictionary. If you do for d in foobar and hello world, and you do print d, you get your keys out. This is similar when you did the if key is in the dictionary. So when you try to reference with the n keyword for anything with a default dictionary like we have here, then it's going to use the keys. You can also get how much data is in your dictionary by using the len of data, and you see we get back 1. Finally, we can actually create a duplicate of the dictionary and modify that, and we'll show you how that works here. Do data, we have that. We're going to do data2 equals data.copy, so this is going to get a copy of our data, and as you can see, data2 is the exact same as data1. Normally, whenever you reference a dictionary, it puts a reference pointer somewhere, but the copy actually creates a duplicate object so that it has data2 referencing something besides what data references. So if we do data foo equals hello, and we do data, which is our original object, you can see we have foo is now hello instead of bar. And if we do data, and we access foo and set it to yo, and we do data2, you see we have foo yo for data2, and then for data1, and then for data, we have foo hello, which is, again, what we posted up. So this shows that we can create copies of dictionaries and manipulate each one without having to without overriding the other dictionary. So with that, I hope it was a good refresher on how to use dictionaries and maybe showed you a couple of things you might not have known before.